Nation, what up? We back up in here, man. We back in Memphis, man. I don't know if I told y'all. If I didn't, man, Happy New Year, man. We about to get on this. We about to turn it up, man. I know people always say that, man, we about to turn it up, we about to do this, we about to do that. Hey, man, we about to turn this thing up, man, for real. Babe, I need to, can you hold that for me? I'm about to take me about. So, yeah, man, I'm about to literally, for real, man, turn the channel up, for real. Man, we is dog. I just did something amazing. I ain't gonna say amazing, but I just did some, you know what I'm saying, some real, a real, man, major thing. What's this? Some hers. Just now, right before, you know what I'm saying, I picked the camera up. I just did something, man, right before I picked the camera up, man. It was, I'm talking about, yeah. So, for real, like, I'm elevating myself, man. I'm about to, man, what we about to do right now? Well, I'll tell y'all when we get back in the car. But, we gotta go and pick the baby up from school. Man, I did a little pickup, man, when I was out in, Texas, man. What y'all think? Got some little ones. Hit H&M up, man. Got these pants, these cargo pants, the little hoodie. I'm gonna pick that up, man. I'm gonna show y'all what else I picked up. I picked up a lot of stuff, but as far as shoes or whatever, man, I just picked that up. I picked up them, and I picked up some 11s, some 11 lows, the black and red ones. But yeah, man. So. Man, then, man, we came back, man, snow on the, man, snow out, man, what? Dude, I wasn't ready for that. Like, I still had shorts on. Uh-oh, we got Spider-Man in the camera. Hold on, y'all. Oh, baby, you just wasted my drink in the seat.
Oh, the drink.
You wasted something in the seat. Hold on, let me go get a towel.
I heard this sheet right here, waist down.
Yeah. But anyway, now I gotta sit on a towel. She finna have my bottom wet. I don't want my bottom wet. Look at Barry, man. Look, the snow weighed on Barry, man. Knocked the bow off. Man, we got some updates for Barry too, though. Towel. I need a towel. I don't want my pants to be dirty. Is this towel wet? Shouldn't be. Okay. Alright, so yeah. Like I said, my friend, go and get the baby. I know I'm babbling, y'all, but yeah. I'm babbling like I'm but it's okay. But what we about to do? Man, you just wasted my drink, nah.
You did that.
No, I didn't. How I do
It was
that?
up here.
I ain't touched over there. You must want meant for me to have it. And I ain't finna go and get no more. I'll get it when I get home. You gotta go and get duty-doo. Oh, man, but I gotta go in the house. I'm finna hit y'all right back. Alright, y'all, so turn the light on so y'all can see. Alright, so what we about to do right now, man, elevation all 2022, man. So what we about to do right now, I've said this a million times, we about to go pick up the baby. Man, we about to shoot down to the shop, man. We about to shoot down to the nail shop. Man, finna get some footage in there. Y'all finna see firsthand how we about to revamp the shop. It's a section of the shop. It's a section of the shop, right? Not the whole shop? There's a section of the shop, man. I'm gonna take y'all with me. It's gonna be like a DIY type deal, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna Get in there, man. She finna come up with some visions or whatever. Go in there and see how we can do it. It's gonna be documented. So y'all gonna see how what her vision is, and y'all gonna see how it's gonna come out. So that's what's on the plate today, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all please, man, like, subscribe, comment, man. Tap that notification bell so every time I drop a video, man, y'all be notified. Also, go ahead, man, if it ain't too much trouble, if it ain't gonna cost you too much of your time, man, because this the only thing gonna cost you is a little time. If it ain't gonna cost you too much of your time, man, go ahead, shoot over to, man, The Life of Ash and B, man. Life of Ash, the letter N and B, man. And y'all can catch like all the family stuff over there, man, you know what I'm saying? Because we be getting, well, we haven't been, but we're going to. Because it's 2022. Everything finna turn up, man. Everything. Like, everything. Like, man, baby finna get a food truck. Man, she finna, man, come up with this new recipe she just came up with. We've been talking about for 2 months. Man, I'm talking about, hey, man, y'all be on the lookout for that, man. Hey, remember, I said it first here on the channel, man. Said it first here on the channel. Didn't nobody know. Watch what I tell you. I'm manifesting, man, and speaking everything to existence, man, in 2022, man. It ain't nothing I can't attain in 2022. And for the rest of my life, ain't nothing I can't attain, man. I'm finna speak into existence, we finna do that just like that. But, yeah, finna shoot on over here, man, because baby got her phone in her hand, and her thumb is itching to push this play button for her music, man. So, so she like, man, will you please hurry up and close this out, man, so I can listen to my music. So, hit y'all, man, we get to the shop, man. So y'all can see these visions, man, see this stuff come together. What's up? Let me see. Zoom out. Alright, so man, we're down here at the shop. See? Big pretty nails back there, man. Down at the shop. Man, my camera wood. Man, the battery. That's crazy. Anyway, just took down the Christmas tree. So we got these. Yeah, we got the wall. Y'all see what's going on. Nation, y'all are a part of the wall. So we got these pedicure stations, man. We're about to try to revamp these. So baby gonna come in here in a minute. She gonna give her whatever she trying to do, her ideas or whatever. And yeah, we're gonna go and gonna go from there. I just got some insight. I just got some insight on video quality, man. Shout out to my dog J Black. Just got some insight on video quality. So yeah, if y'all can tell the difference in this video, man, let me know down in the comments. Everything going up. Price just went up on everything. Tell me now. Tell me. Hey, I bought this hat when I was in Texas, man. And I mean it. I got some unfinished business going on right now. Maybe it's working. Okay. This dude over here got his Spider-Man. So we gotta finna do this. And like I said, I'll let y'all see what her insight is. Y'all gonna hear. Uh-oh. Oh. Y'all gonna hear. Y'all gonna hear what her ideas are. And yeah, we gonna roll from there. Okay, so what she said was the trim has to be replaced. Like we replacing all the trim. Like everything that's here is coming up, right?
Just the one that's missing first.
Okay. Replacing the trim and repainting it black. The whole station or just the trim?
No. Come back here. Come back over here. Replacing the trim.
Replacing the trim.
I wanted to see if we could find some type of silicone mat, black, to glue down or stick down or whatever. Take this white off of here. That way, so we don't have to paint these.
No. Where you going? Stop.
We're gonna have to take these up so we can paint over these under there too.
Paint. So we paint over the marble look.
Yep.
Okay. Except for down there.
We can, but I would rather find some type of silicone mat that we can replace that. No. We definitely need to paint over it just in case.
Or we can use the stuff that we got in the studio room, the peel and stick stuff.
I mean, we can, but it has to be match that.
Oh.
Let me see what we got in there.
Dude got a man bun, a toddler bun. Okay. Yeah.
So I don't know. I don't know. Hell no. That is the same as the floor.
Yeah. So we could probably find this somewhere.
Like peel a stick, but it has to be waterproof.
Right. So we just doing the station. We're not doing anything with this wall or baseboards and nothing like that. Okay, so we're just doing this.
We're just focusing on this right here.
Okay. So this will be like, so that wall back there is that.
Black.
So everything back there gonna be black.
Mm-hmm.
Everything.
Yep.
Even the baseboard.
Yep.
The little board right here too.
Yep.
Everything back there black.
Yep.
Okay. Coming up with a color for this. For that part.
I mean, I would say black or just paint over it, but.
Well, if that's gonna be black, so you're gonna have everything black?
Yes, everything's gonna be black.
Oh, okay.
Then I was saying, find a silicone mat that can go over this.
That won't be black.
It'll be black.
Okay. So
It'll be black on top of black.
Okay. Black on black on black. All right, we going murder one on everything. Murdered out. Okay. So that's what it is. And like we're not changing the bowls or nothing like that. Oh, that's gonna stay. Okay. 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 So that's where we at. You know what I'm saying? She said she want everything black. Everything from the rooter to the tutor. All the way through. Everything went black, so we finna see what we can come up with. We'll probably accent something somewhere, but it's right now everything black, so. But in between time, in the meantime, y'all need to be trying to get yourselves here to Pretty Nails, so they can put some on your feet, some on your hands. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff right there, man, for 2022, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially for 515, man. Connecting, never competing. Car show, man, by my dog, 7-8 Chevy boy. aka Big Percy, aka Mr. Tennessee Toys, aka with the Cube, Tiny Toys, all that right there, man. So y'all need to tap in with him, man, see what's going on. Try to get this thing popping.
Hey.
But yeah, man, so that's what we're doing. That it's black. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all just seen it firsthand. Y'all stay tuned, man, to see how it comes out. What other ideas that will be brought to life with this pedicure station. And yeah, I'm really excited to see it now because I know it's gonna be different from what she's saying right now. Like it's gonna be, she's saying all black right now, but it's gonna be some accents in her because she's not a solid color type person. So something gonna be accent in there somewhere. Y'all just stay tuned, huh? Okay. Yeah, she said she definitely is. So y'all stay tuned to see if it be one side of color or if it be accented in somewhere. But yeah, man, I'm finna close this section out because I'm finna gonna take the trash out and I'm finna what else I'm finna do? You finna go home?
Yeah, after you take the trash out.
Okay, she said we finna go home, so yeah. And I gotta go home and try to get a video uploaded. So yeah. So this is the end of the video, man. I appreciate y'all stopping through, watching the video, man. And I'll see y'all in the next one. If it's not the end of the video, I'll hit y'all in a minute.